I want to talk a little bit about the Neurosity Crown, which is an EEG device that I have just unboxed and managed to get working. This is its website where you can see its various tech specs, what it looks like, etc., and how it all works. I was very excited to get this one for a number of reasons, mostly that it had 8 sensor locations across a large part of the head. These are EEG like dot positions. It's also sort of all built in and stuff like that. I was looking into OpenBCI hardware from OpenBCI, and it was about the same price as this, and it's all built in. So there we go. It's actually got a compute module on it, which means it's doing work. However, and unfortunately, the setup process, which you can go here, is it here? Yeah, here it is. The setup process requires you to log in using this app. This is the Neurosity app on Apple. Not Apple, Android. There is a alternative app which is available for Apple, of course, but only Apple devices. Anyway, this app is not compatible with my phone. My phone is a Google Pixel 7, which I don't believe is that old, but it's also not that new either. But it's incompatible with this app for some reason. I've got no idea why. I was an Android developer like many years ago, but whatever. So if we take a look at the support channel for Neurosity, you'll see like, hey, we got a crown, but the Android phone I use is too new to install the app. Exactly my problem. Is there a way to claim the crown and connect it to Wi-Fi? I have the same issues. I managed to claim the crown by using Wi-Fi NFC capabilities to get the device number, then manually adding the device. The docs are clear that the app is needed to connect to configure Wi-Fi. This is incorrect. I have fixed it. So what did I do? I was looking through the SDK, and the SDK has this Bluetooth client, which is the Bluetooth communication that you can do with the device. And I found out that there is a dispatch action, which is like it's a Bluetooth action. I don't know anything about it. It's sort of extracted into more class hierarchies, etc. But the point is, hey, we can dispatch an action that will connect it to an SSID with this password. And I'm like, you know what? I can do that. And I have. So over here is my little test app, and I'll be releasing this shortly. You log in with your Neurosity account. The reason why you do that is so that you can like claim the device, and that means that like the Wi-Fi functionality will work. I don't really want to use the sort of Wi-Fi based functionality except for one of the features, but for people who are stuck and not getting support, this makes sense. So once you're logged in, you can see there I'm logged in. You can hit connect Bluetooth. Crown props up. It's on my head currently, and then you input the SSID details here. You do like blah, 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 and then you hit connect, and it sends a Bluetooth message directly to the headset over Bluetooth and says, yo, here is the Wi-Fi I would like you to connect to. And when I got that correct, the LED on the back of this device turned from blue, which means searching for Wi-Fi, to white, which means Wi-Fi. And the actual target application that I'm looking at, which is OSC, immediately started to work. I have no idea what this OSC data is, but it surely is a lot of numbers. We can actually go to the developer console here, go to Brainwaves, hit start on here, and you can see, like, it's working. That's great. It would be great if I had my 6 hours back to where I had to reverse engineer the app, but I'll put it on GitHub shortly. I hope you enjoyed this ramble into what happens when I try and, take a day off and play with a device that has an app that doesn't work on my quite new phone. I will speak to you guys soon.